Now we open everything. Fill 1. That means we also start this filling system. Fill 1. On. Also on for the welcome pump. Now we keep inching. Keep inch. 按着它，过来。你先按。Keep inch. Okay. Keep inch. Also fill product. 你下来啊。Now for this part, let me explain. For this part, for this pipes, we keep inch. Now product inside, the bag is big, right? So we need to adjust it up and down, left or right, till 走啊。Look, 停下来 the light is on. That means it's good. It will give signal. Give signal to seal the bag. If no product, the light off. It will not give signal for sealing. So for the empty bag, we can reduce again. For the empty bag, we can reduce it. So if there is a product inside, we need to adjust the distance of this pipe to make sure the light is on when the product pass through. On. Pass through. Product on. No product. Empty bag off. Cutter stop working. So empty bags reduce again.